Thank you. Jason,
Yeah.
April, Rogers,
Yeah.
Jocelyn,
Yes.
Honey, Twee, and who's this person?
New classmate.
Lee Tan?
New classmate.
This person. Who are they? Yes. I know that.
The name?
What country?
China.
China.
Boy or girl? So he was here at 10 o'clock?
No.
No! Dennis said he was. Okay, he's not here. Not here today. Oh, okay. Okay. Right. Let's start. Let's do a little bit of revision, since it was so long ago when you saw me. Maybe you forgot all your words.
Yes.
Yes, maybe. We'll see. It's true? Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Okay. So, let's see. Give me all the words. Ready? Yes. Give me all the words for this. Yeah? What else? No, don't look. Oh, you're not looking. Okay. Try to remember. Plus. Add. Some. And. Yeah. Right, what about this one? Minus. Less.
From.
Yeah, from, yeah.
Take away.
You're just reading, not take away, yes. Anything else?
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay. What about this one?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Times.
Times.
By.
5.
Product.
No, I don't need you to read. I want you to remember. Close. Right, what about this one then? No, you'd be quiet now. Anyone else? Over, yes. Into. Begins with D. Divide. Yeah? Good. You remember some of them. Yes. What's this called? You know it?
I don't know.
Okay. Anyone else know? Fraction. Very good. No, don't look. I want to see if you remember. Fraction. Very good. And what about something like this? What type is that? This is called a fraction, and this one is called...
Direction.
No. Good guess. Decimal. No? Right, well, what's this one called?
Percent.
Very good, right. And what's this one called?
2 to 3.
Ratio, yeah. Very good. Very good. Yes, 2 to 3, yes. And let's go down. What's this called? No.
Squared.
X squared. This one? No. Don't look, Rogers. I know you can read. I want to know if you can remember. Squared. And what's this one? Begins with a C.
Square.
Begins with a C.
C?
C? For this one.
Club.
Club, no. Cubed. Cubed. What about this one?
What?
No.
What?
Nope. Power 4.
Oh, power 5, power 6.
What's this called?
Open.
Nope.
Move.
No. Not even close. Begins with S. Q.
Square.
Yes. Square something.
X.
Square root. And what's this one called? Cube root. Remember?
Yeah.
Right. What do you call when you do this?
Open.
Open, yes. And what else?
Here.
No. Expand. And then when you have this, and you change it to this, yeah, it begins with an F, that's right.
Active.
No. Factorize when you go like this, because these are called the factors. This is the verb, and this is the noun. Yeah? You remember? A little. Yeah. Okay. So we'll do something new today. Yes? Because you remember everything so far. So that's good. Okay, so if you want to write this down, so this is what we'll look at first. Okay, can you write that down? Okay. Continue? Yeah. So, we'll start with an example. This here, something like this. This is called a completed square. So when you have something like this, for example, this is called a completed square. You have a square, a number, and a number. Also, you can call it maybe a perfect square. So let's have a look at this example here. X plus 1 squared plus 3. That equals x plus 1 multiply x plus 1 plus 3. That equals x squared plus x plus x plus 1 plus 3. What's this called? factoring. No, not factoring. What's it called? Expanding. X squared plus 2x plus 4. Now, what is this called? Remember its name? Begins with Q. Yes. Quadratic. And this one is called completed square. Yeah. Continue. So, what we want to do today, well, let's go down a little bit. So when you go from completed square to quadratic, the verb is expand. What we want to do today is go backwards from the quadratic to completed square. And this is called completing the square, when you go backwards. Have you done that before in Vietnam or China? From here back to here. Do you know how to do that? That means no? Okay, can we do it? I'll show you how to do it. Yes? Okay. So, for example, let's say you have x squared plus 2x plus 8. So we want something squared plus another number. And here is x plus number and number. Does anyone know how to get this number and this number? You think back to high school. Any ideas? 1 and 7. Yeah. But how did you get 1? It is 1. How did you get 1?
8. Here, 1 and 7.
No, too difficult. No. How did you get the 1? I'll tell you. Look. So what you do
2x.
is, first, look. First, you take the 2 and you half it. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay. And then here is 7. How do you get the 7? What you do is you look at the 8, It's 8 minus 1 squared, really. So you square this. 8 minus 1 squared is 7. I'll do another example. X squared plus 16x plus 71. So this will be x plus 8 squared. And then you do 71 minus 64. This one squared. So let's see. That's 7 plus 7. Yeah. Okay, I'll let you try one. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Can you try 1C and D? C and D. Rogers?
Yeah.
You did C and D?
Andy.
C and D.
Yeah. Finish. I finished that.
Thank you. Thank you. That's okay.
Andy.
Yes. Andy's gone.
He will come back.
Will he?
Yeah.
Will he? He'll come back for September?
Yeah.
Okay.
Foundation.
Foundation.
Yeah.
Business,
Yeah.
science, or engine? Business.
So maybe you will be his teacher.
I hope not. Maybe I will be, yes, yes. I probably not, because I do engineering.
Engineering. You will be that teacher.
Maybe. Sometimes business.
I think engineer.
Yeah, engineering, maths. Okay, finished?
Yeah.
Finished? Okay, let's have a look. So, are you speaking English? You sure? April?
Is that QUAD? That's English.
Q-U-A-D. Yeah. R-A-T-I-C. Yes, very good. Okay, C. X squared plus 10x plus 32. So this should be x plus 5 squared plus 7. Great, okay, and then D is x squared plus 8x plus 17. So this should be x plus 4 squared plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's try one a little different now. X squared minus 3x minus 23 over 4. Okay. So what do I need first?
Half 3.
Yeah. So what do I have next?
3 over 2.
Plus or minus? Minus. Squared. And then here I need 23 over 4 plus or minus? Minus 9 over 4. So that is 14? No? Isn't it?
It's minus.
I think it's this, isn't it?
3 over 2 square is 9 over 4.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah. What's wrong?
Is it right?
Right.
I think
Sure.
so. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Yeah?
No.
No, what's wrong?
Minus.
Minus.
Yeah.
This minus this.
It's 40 over 4.
In the
Yeah.
All the minus.
It's always minus.
Not
No,
that
this
minus, but that's
40 over 4 before.
This should be minus.
Yeah.
No.
No?
I think it should be plus. Yes.
Why?
Let's check. So if we look here, this is x minus 3 over 2 times x minus 3 over 2 plus 14 over 4. Well, that's 7 over 2. X squared, and then minus 6x plus 9 over 4 plus, oh, I see. It's wrong.
Yeah.
I understand.
No.
Yeah, but you didn't explain it to me.
Yeah.
Right. It's wrong because I forgot.
Yeah.
Here's the minus.
Yeah.
Yes. Wrong. Right, so this should be minus 32 over 4. That's better. Yes, which is 8.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try another one, more difficult. X squared minus 5x. We'll do this together. 29 over 4. Okay, so first what do I need? Try again.
5 over
Thank you.
5 over
5 over
2.
2 squared, and then I have 29 over 4 minus 25 over 4. So that's 1.
No. 1 over 4.
It's 1.
Oh yeah, 1.
Yeah. Plus 1. Yeah. This is 1. Okay. We get the idea? It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you try 2a and 2b now? 2a and 2b. Finished, funny? Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
X squared plus 4x minus 1. So that's x plus 2 squared, and then minus 5.
5.
And then the next one is x squared minus 4x plus 1. So that is
X minus 2 squared. So that's 5.
Minus 3.
it's 1 minus 4
Yeah.
minus 3.
3, yeah.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Right. And what's this called? What do we call this? Go from here to here? What's it called? Complete in the square. Okay, now, more difficult ones. Okay, this.
Wow.
I know. Now tell me, what do you think we do? Any ideas?
First, we should put minus.
Yeah.
And it's
Wait, what's the verb?
Bring x point, x pi.
No. Maybe you don't have the verb.
Yeah, we don't have this word.
Over minus 3.
Almost. I understand what you mean. You want to
Yeah.
take the minus 3 like this. Yeah? This is called factor out. So this will be x squared. What's next? Plus 12? No. 14. 14?
14.
Yeah.
X plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 20, 47. No. No.
It's not true.
Oh, it's not. No, it's not. So we have to keep it as 14x plus 143 over 3. Okay, so this is called factor out. Okay, maybe you should write this bit down so far. Factor out. Hmm? Okay, continue. So the next step, we complete the square for the inside. So we have x plus 7 squared. And then now for the next part, we'll need 143 over 3 minus what? 49, yeah. Which is 143 over 3 minus 147 over 3?
Yes.
Yeah. Minus 4 over 3?
Yes.
Yeah. So this here is minus 4 over 3. What's next? Yeah. What's this called? No. You know this one. If I do it like this. Oh, you know this. Expand. Expand. So it will be minus 3 x plus 7 squared. What's next? No? Not minus? Plus 4. And this is the answer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Will I do another one? Or do you want to try one? See one or do one? What do you want? Oh, you don't care. Yeah. I'll do another one. Can I continue? Yeah. Okay. Minus 4x squared plus 48x minus 146. Okay. So this is minus 4 x squared minus 12x plus 146 over 4. Yeah? Okay. That's minus 4 x minus 6 squared, and then we need 146 over 4 minus 36. That's 146 over 4 minus 144 over 4, which is a half. Isn't it? Is it? Yeah? I hope so. Right, so plus a half. So this will be minus 4 x minus 6 squared minus 2. Okay, maybe you can try 3c and 3d. It's not too bad. English, yeah.
6 half is case that is correct. Not half is correct.
What? 6 half? 6 over 2
Yes.
is 3. Correct. What? Jason, what?
No. It's not square. He thinks it's square, you know, because he beginning said the 6 is square. He thinks she thinks it's square. It's not half. It's the problem. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a half. It's not square.
Okay. Is it right?
I think it's right.
Okay. Albert is doing his economics exam now.
Yeah, I know, he told me. He told me it's last test of this class.
Then he's free. Freedom.
Yeah. He told me he wants to go somewhere and have a international university.
International University?
He said this passage broke up.
Mm.
He said you know Jewish listening is very good.
It's okay.
He told me his out test in listening is 9.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you believe him?
How much? 5%, 15%, I believe him.
I believe him 10%.
10%.
Yeah.
But Jewish English is really good.
9?
I think Jewish English is very good.
But IELTS 9?
Yeah, just listening.
I don't believe him.
But his English is really nice. But he told me the EAP test is very difficult.
Don't listen to John Worry. Finished?
Finished.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. 5x squared plus 30x plus 43. Yeah?
Yes.
That is 5x squared plus 6x plus 43 over 5. So that's 5x plus 3 squared, and then it's 43 over 5 minus what? 9 over 9. Yeah, so that's, let's see, 45, yeah, over 5. So minus 2 over 5?
Yes.
Yeah. X plus 3 squared minus 2. 5. Yes. Good? No problem? Okay. Next was 3x squared plus 30x plus 67. Was that it? Yeah. So that's 3 x squared plus 10x plus 67 over 3. 3 x plus 5 squared, and then we have 67 over 3 minus 25. which is 75 over 3, 8 over 3, minus?
Yes.
Great. 3x plus 5 squared minus 8. She thinks it's great. Yeah? I think it's great. But I want you to tell me, maybe someone can tell me. Here's my question. Think about it for 1 minute, then tell me.
Yes, I want to ask you actually.
I'm asking you. Think for 1 minute, and then maybe someone can tell me. It's the rules? No. There is a good reason why.
I know.
What?
Not when you.
Joy.
Huh?
The picture.
No.
It helps with the picture, but there's another reason. But you're right, it helps with the picture. What do you think, Jocelyn?
We need this equation.
Yes?
And we need the A, the B, the C, the number.
There's two reasons, yeah. If it's an equation, like this is helpful. And Jason, you said when you want to draw it, when you want to draw, is also helpful. Yeah. So let me explain why it's helpful. Okay. If you look at this, when x is minus 5, what do you get here? If I call this y equals?
-8.
What's y? If x is minus 5, what do you get?
Minus 15.
No?
-8.
Minus 8. Yes? Now, tell me this. Can x be, y smaller than minus 8? What could the x be to make it smaller than minus 8? What do you think?
Smaller than 5. -5.
For example, like minus 6?
No.
No? What do you think? Yeah, it's not possible. It's not possible. And the reason it's not, if you think about it like this, y equals minus 8 plus 3x plus 5 squared. This part must be positive. Can it be this? No, it can't. Why not? Because the square makes it positive. So for example, if it was minus 2 and I square, what do I get? 4. So this must be positive. Could it be 0? It could be 0.
Yes.
When will it be 0? When? When do I get this? When x is...
Because there are no squares here.
Yeah. When? When x is... When x is minus 5. Yeah. So this here is the smallest y can be. So if you think about the graph, when x is minus 5, what's y? What did we say? Minus 8. And this is the smallest. So does the graph go up or does it go down?
Up.
It goes up. Yeah? So I don't know if you know the shape. Does anyone know the shape? What shape is it? Is it like this?
Shape.
Yeah, what's that called?
Name.
Yeah, it has a name.
Shape.
No, it has a name.
Go down. Go out.
Yeah, what's this called?
Read.
AX.
Curve. Yeah, curve. Now, hang on, let me draw that again, a little nicer. Okay. Now, we can also know this point. What's special about this? Why is this special? Why? Because x is 0. So we can know the y. Look, if I go back and put x is 0, I can get the y. So when x is 0, y is 67. I think it's easy to see it here. When x is 0, y is 67. So this is 67 then, at this point here. Yeah? Do you remember the name of this point? Its name?
Function x.
Mm-hmm.
Point.
True, something point. It's a point, it's a special point. It's called the y-intercept. You forgot this name? No problem. Now here's a new name. The name for this. Well, maybe someone knows. What's this one called?
Point.
Yeah, but it's a special point. What point? It has half point? Nope. Good try. What do you think it's called? Have a guess.
Minimum.
It's a minimum point.
Yeah.
Minimum. So it has a few names. Let me give you some of its names. You can call it a minimum point. What else? Any other names you can think of? You can call it, look, a turn-in point. Now, why do you think I can call it a turn-in point? Yeah, what does turn mean? Change, yeah, like when you turn in the car. So you can call this a turn-in point because here it's going down, but here it's going up, so it turns. We call it a turn-in point. Turn. Like when you drive your car, turn left, turn right. Yes. And there's one more special name for it, and it begins with a V.
Why?
And no,
Why?
I'll give you €1,000,000 if you know it. You don't know it, I didn't tell you before. But it's also called a vertex. It's a special name for it. So you have three names. I like this name. So this is the one that I use. Turn-in point. Yes. Yeah? Okay. Let's try one. Continue? Okay, so look at this one now. Y equals minus 5x squared plus 30x minus 51. So I want you to find the turn-in point. So let's do it together. First, I factor out the minus 5. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 51 over 5. Yeah. this is minus 5 x minus 3 squared, and let's see, 51 over 5 minus 9 minus 45 over 5. So what's that? Plus 7 over 5. Yeah? That equals minus 5 x minus 3. Is it right?
It's 8. 8.
8?
Yes.
8?
Or 20. Or 12. Look. It's 6. Sorry, 6.
Over 5.
It's
6? Oh, I wrote 7. Sorry. Yes, it's 6. Right. Minus 6. Yes. Okay. So this equals minus 6 minus 5 x minus 3 squared. Now this one is a little different because there's a minus here. Yes, very good. So y equals minus 6 is the maximum, because you can make it smaller and smaller and smaller because you have the minus here. So for example, you could have minus 6 minus 0, minus 6 minus 1, minus 6 minus 2. Can you make it minus 6 plus 1? No, you can't, because this here is plus, this here is minus, so you must have minus. So this is the maximum. So the graph is actually very good. It's upside down. Yeah, it's like this. But that's not important. So this is the answer. And when does this happen? When x is 3. This is when it happens. When x is 3, the maximum will be minus 6. That one was for A. Can you try for B? Finished, Jason? No problem? Is it right? Sure? Finished? We can do it? Yeah, okay. 4b. Oops. Okay. Y equals 9x squared minus 162x plus 728. Y equals 9. X squared minus 18. It took a moment. 18x plus 728 over 9. All right. 728 over 9. Oh my goodness. Minus
729.
Thank you. Over 9. Thank you. Y equals 9. X. Oh, sorry. I skipped a step. No. Ignore me. Right. 9 equals x minus 9 squared plus 728 over 9. 728 over 9 minus 81 over 9. Yes. No, sorry. No, yeah, forget. 709 over 9, yes. Yes, leaves 1, my goodness. X minus 9 squared minus 1 over 9. 9x minus 9 squared minus 1. Minus 1 plus 9x minus 9 squared. So when x equals 9, y equals minus 1. Maximum or minimum?
Minimum.
Very good. It's a minimum. Okay. Yeah? Is the answer. Okay. Continue? Yeah? Okay. Now, I'm going to let you try one that's a little difficult, but I'll draw it, okay? So we have this. This is x, this is y. And it's like this. Look. This point is minus 1, 3, 4. This is the turning point. I don't know this, but I tell you this. This is minus 3. Okay. And this will be y equals minus 2x squared plus bx plus c. Now this one's very difficult, I want you to try, see if you can figure it out yourself. I want you to tell me what the B is and the C is. I want the B and the C. And all I tell you is this is here and this one is here. That's all I tell you. See if you can do it. Try. I want B and C. What do you need? Oh, no, they're just working on some questions.
Exactly like on the one of these readings, you know. Let's just check that for a second. All the doors are open these days.
Oh, yes, yeah. It's okay.
Classroom up here, is there?
There's two downstairs. Maybe it was one of those that were burnt out. B301 and B302. They might be those.
Is the only classroom up here?
On this level, yeah, this is the only one that's ground. Alright, thanks.
Thanks.
Did anyone get an answer?
Yeah, the April minus 100. So before.
Did you get B?
Yeah, I think the B.
Okay.
Yeah, C is correct.
Yeah. April, did you get B? No. No problem. Rogers? Okay. Honey? Twee? Only Jason? Unbelievable. Jocelyn? A moment, okay. Come on, English! Please. Minus 134.
I think y is minus 134.
I'm sorry, he's right about C. I know, I wouldn't believe him too. Why?
Yeah.
I don't know. I told you this was a difficult one.
No, I have a good idea.
Rogers? Any luck? No? I think it's time that I do it. Did you get an answer?
I know it's awesome.
Okay. What do you think B is? All right. Let's have a look. So.
Because if you do see, you put the minus 3 in this y, then y equals is just b, so it's b is answer. Yeah. Because x equals
minus 3 and y equals
y equals 0. No, you must 0.
Is it 0? Y is not 0 here.
It's 173.
No, because look, that y is not minus 134. Okay, let's do it. So if you look here, when x is 0, you get this for y. Yes? So minus 134 should equal 0 plus 0 plus c. Okay, so this is c. So that's okay.
Yeah.
So you have y equals minus 2x squared plus bx minus 134. Now this is called the turning point. How do you find the turning point? What do you do to find the turning point? Know what you do? How do you find this? Look.
X equals.
No, how do you find this? Completing the square. That's how you find this, yes? So let's do that. Factor out minus 2. What's left here? x squared minus b over 2x, yes, plus blah blah blah. This equals minus 2. Okay, now what do I have here? X minus b over 4 squared plus blah blah blah. This should equal something maximum when x equals b over 4. Yes. But you know what this is. Minus 3. So you have minus 3 equals b over 4. So b equals minus 12. Did anyone get that? Jason? No. So the answer is y equals minus 2x squared minus 12x minus 134. Now I told you this was hard. Right? Very difficult. And this is only page 12. Yes. Okay. I want you to try 5b. Please. No Chinese on your phone, please. No Pokemon Go. You have Pokemon Go? Honey? You have Pokemon Go? Ah, you know, no, you know. You have this?
It's a game.
Oh, I know this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I have.
You have it. Good. Okay.
You did it.
Do you think I play it? No, I do not.
It's famous.
Oh, it's very famous. Finished, Jason? Yeah? Catch. Pikachu. You have Pikachu?
Yeah. No, I don't know catch.
That's not good. April, honey, finished? No? Rogers? Okay. Twee? Finish? Okay, can I do it or should I wait? Are you nearly finished? So, let's see. Y equals minus 9x squared plus bx plus c. And the question says, it's something like this. So here is, what is minus 5, 6, 9. So that means we know the c. Great. So y equals minus 9x squared plus bx minus 5, 6, 9. Y equals minus 9 x squared minus b over 9x plus blah blah blah. I don't care what that is. That equals minus 9 x minus b over 18 squared plus blah blah blah. So that equals minus 9 times x minus b over 18 squared plus blah blah blah. And the minimum happens when x equals 8. So that means 8 minus b over 18 should equal 0. So that means b should equal 8 multiply 18. What's that? 144. So we get y equals minus 9x squared plus 144x minus 569. Hard? Or maybe now it's easy. In the middle? No? Middle, okay. Right. Let's have a look at this one. Prove, you know this verb? Prove 5x squared minus 90x plus 414 is always positive. So, for example, Rogers, give me any number. Pick any number. What's your favorite number? 4, 6, 8. What's lucky in Chinese? 8. So 5 times 8 squared minus 90 times 8 plus 414 that is bigger than 0. Jason, give me any number.
0.
Okay, yeah. So 0 minus 90 times 0 plus 414 that is bigger than 0. If you had 5 times minus 10 squared minus 90 times minus 10 plus 414, what's that? That's like 500 minus 900 plus 414. Is that bigger than 0? What do you mean? Where's plus? Oh yeah. So is that bigger than 0? Is it bigger than 0?
Yeah.
Definitely bigger than 0. So, how can we prove it's always bigger than 0? Completing the square. Watch. First, I divide everything by 5. So now I get x squared minus 18x plus 414 over 5. Bigger than 0. Okay. This is x minus 9 squared. And then let's see. 414 over 5 minus 81. 414 over 5 minus something over 5. 405?
82.8.
Is this right? Yeah. So, what's that? 9 over 5. Yeah. Plus 9 over 5. But we're finished, because look. This is always bigger than or equal to 0. This is always bigger than 0. It is. So when I add them together, it's always bigger than 0. Could it equal 0? No. It's always bigger than 0. So therefore, it's true. Yeah? Okay. I want you to now do something similar. I want you to prove that 8x squared minus 80x plus 205 is always bigger than 0. And Jason, you said you could use the graph. So in this one, the graph would look like this. It's always bigger than 0. Yeah. But this is the way I want it. Like this. Okay. Try this. Try this one. Sorry, I took your pen. Oh, I took her pen.
So is the square, is the curve.
What word? Spell.
Third. It's the third.
Yeah.
It's not true. This means square. Plus only bigger 0. It's not square. It's third.
Third?
Three.
Here?
Yeah, it's 3.
If it's tray.
No. Square.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
Cubed. If this is cubed, yes, because this could be positive or negative. Yeah. So it's because it's square. Yeah.
So it must be square.
Oh, it must be square. Cube, no good. Or it could be power 4.
Yeah. I mean, it's 2.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, that's a word. Let's see. These numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They have names. Does anyone know? I don't think so. These are called even. And this one, do you know it? It's called odd. Even and odd, yeah. You know this word?
Even.
Yeah.
Even. This is film.
It's a film?
Even.
There's a film called Even? Yeah? Chinese film?
No.
Who's in it?
It's Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Continue?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do this one. First, I divide everything by 8. So I get x squared minus 10x plus 205 over 8 bigger than 0. So I get x minus 5 squared, yeah. Now hang on, let's see, 205 over 8 minus 25. So that's 205 over 8 minus 200 over 8. So that's plus 5 over 8. Yeah. Now, but x minus 5 squared is always bigger than 0, and also 5 over 8 is always bigger than 0. So therefore, x minus 5 squared plus 5 over 8 must be bigger than 0. Yeah. So it's true. It's true. Okay. Close enough. Maybe I'll give you a homework since I didn't see you last week. Maybe you feel like you need to do some more maths. Yeah. How about one E, 2E, 3E, 4E, 5D, 6D. So I'll say it again. 1E, 2E, 3E, 4E, 5D, 6D. Okay, we'll finish. Yeah, here, actually, you can take mine on that. Okay.